In this topic, we will discuss reverse biasing. In the reverse biasing, the P side of the diode is connected with negative terminal and the N side of the diode is connected with a positive terminal. This is P side, this is N side, majority charge carrier hole, majority charge carrier electron. This is depletion layer, which contain immobile or fixed ions. Positive, negative. This is depletion layer. In the reverse biasing, P side is connected with the negative terminal, N side is connected with the positive terminal. This is barrier potential. If we plot the graph, this is for the barrier potential VB. Here, this negative of the barrier potential and this is the negative of the applied voltage. So it is connected in the parallel combination. So effective barrier potential is equal to VB plus V. So here effective barrier potential increases, so we can take this is as VB plus V. Effective barrier potential increases. Now when the P side is connected with the negative terminal, so the hole which are in majority in the P side, they goes towards the negative terminal of the battery, and N side is connected with the positive terminal. So these electron, they goes towards the positive terminal of the battery. So we can say that majority charge carrier, they move away from the junction. Therefore, depletion layer that get increase in the reverse biasing. Now, potential is increased. Therefore, we can say temperature of the diode increase, increased. So we can say that covalent bond that get break. If the covalent bond get break, so large number of hole and electron pair is produced. So these hole and electron cross junction, they combine with each other and large current flow. So the temperature at which